Good morning children. For your first midterm examination, you have total 50 marks. So in that for 40 marks you will write the exam and 10 marks it is allotted for your exam, for your project work. So in this project work what you will do means you will present the subtraction in abacus. Already through Google Meet live class already I have explained, but only 25% had attended, others did not know, so I am making this video for you. So project work is for 10 marks. So that you will present the subtraction on abacus. So that one how to do I will explain. So this is explained in page number 105 activity there is in your book. So this is there it is given checking subtraction using addition it is given. Okay, that both subtraction and addition, both operation it is given, but you will do only the subtraction. You will present only the subtraction on abacus. So for that what you have to do, first you will make the abacus. So this you can, I think you will know, this is a wooden part. No, you can make wood with wood, or you will make the abacus using any cardboard or wooden or anything. You use eco-friendly things. Okay, you can make make use of anything, but thermocol you can avoid. If at all you have to use, then use, but other than that the thermocol don't use. Other you can use cardboard or wood. Then there you keep 4 spikes. So in that spikes it can be stick or any rod, iron rod, anything you can use. And after that here you have to mark the places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, here now I am giving the example from the book only. You can take any number which has no borrowing. Okay, if any borrowing problem, then for you it will be very difficult. So I have taken from the book only. First you have to place this number in this abacus. The minuend, no, the first number that you have to place in this abacus. So here what is there? The ones place first you have to find. From ones place only you have to arrange the digits. So in ones place we have 5. So you will arrange 5 beads. Beads you can make with the tuff or anything, no, with the powder, wheat powder, or beads you can buy, anything you can do. So 5 you have to arrange here. So I am arranging 5 beads here. It is up to you how much you can do. Okay, so 5 here in the middle, no, because of the recognition network is slow, so this part did not come, so no problem. You can use different color for each places, otherwise you can use the same color also. Each beads, no, each places you can use different color. And here in tens place we have 4, so here we will arrange 4 beads. Sorry. So here 4 beads. Okay, 4 beads. Okay, this place also beads only, just you think it that way, imagine it. Again in thousands place we have 3. So here we will put 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we have in thousands place we have 6. So I will put here 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is taking different shapes. Okay, so this one taken heart shape and this one, but you think it as a beads only. Okay, so I have arranged. Now you have to do the subtraction. Okay, to do the subtraction, this you have to do. This number you are going to minus. So I will delete each one beads. What you have to do, you will remove the beads. First you arrange the beads. No, now you will remove the beads. So here from ones place only we will start. Here 4 is there. So first you will remove the 4 beads. So I am removing 4 beads. Okay, I am here going with delete. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 beads I have removed. So how much is remaining now? So only 1 is remaining. After removing 4, only 1 is remaining. So the answer in 1's place will be 1. Okay, so here also you can write the answer in 1's place will be 1. Now next we have in thousands place. In thousands place in tens place we have 3. Okay, so here 4 was there but something is missing, so let me complete it. These 2 are gone. Okay, so now in hundreds place we have 3, so we have to remove 3 beads from here. So 3 beads I am removing. I will delete now 3 beads, but you will remove. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So after deleting 3, how many is remaining? Only 1 is remaining. So the answer in tens place will be 1. Okay, the answer in tens place will be 1. Next one we have in hundreds place 1. So we will remove from here 1 in the hundreds place. So let me remove 1. So after removing 1, how many is remaining? 2. So the answer in hundreds place will be 2. Okay, next we have in thousands place 2. So from here we will remove 2. So let me delete 2. So 1 and 2. So after deleting 2, how many is remaining? 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer in thousands place will be 4. So the answer is 4. The answer is 4. Okay. So the answer will be 4211. This is the way you have to explain. Since I explained with the picture and everything, it is a little difficult because it need internet connection. Because of the internet connection, it was not coming properly. Okay. So you will know how to do. I think you would have understood. If you don't understand, you can ask me. Last year's one I will send you how to do. Okay. Thank you.